Okay, this app is called Magical Concepts, and I'm very excited to be able to show you this. Let's just have a quick look at who it's by. It's by a company called Virtual Speech Center, and you can check out their website at virtualspeechcenter.com. On this screen you get a couple of different very helpful things. One is obviously how to use the app, which I'm going to show you in a second, but good to have on there. And then a description of the app telling you that it covers over 60 different concepts, such as big and small, bottom and top, clean and dirty, down, up, dry, wet, empty, full, half, whole, inside, outside, long, short, loud, quiet, and so on and so on and so on. So we're going to go through some of that. A bunch of different ways that we can use the app. One exciting thing about this is that you can email reports, and you can look at reports from as many students as you have on the app, and you can add them. So if we click on Alex, we can either look by activity or we can look by date and time. If we look at today, for example, you can go by the time of the exercises today. So if we click on this one, you'll see that he worked on above, angry, apart, around, behind, below, beside, and big, and pretty much got 100% on most of those, apart from the apart one where he got 66%. Of course, that was all in test format. You can click on the email report and then email that to anybody you like, your therapist, your teacher, or they can email it to you. So that's very exciting stuff, always nice to see in an app. And you can also look at the report by activity. So you can look at the word above, for example, and you can see that he got all of that correct, 100%, on the certain dates and the certain times that he did the activity. So really nice to see that in an app. I hope more apps do that. It's very, very useful for not just the parents but also teachers and therapists. So let's go back and see what this app does. Let's look at settings. Automatic scoring, on or off. And we're going to leave some of these on for now, as it is for now, and then we'll change them as we go. Show the answer, on or off. Randomization, on or off. Automatic paging, on or off. Use alternate count, which is when you have more than one student. I'll show you how that works. Enable the magic show. You can always turn that on or off. And then magic show stars, you can go anywhere from 5 to 10 stars correct before the magic show appears. We'll leave it on 5 so I can show you. So let's go back out and let's go ahead and start a session. Adding a student is as simple as clicking add student, clicking on here and then typing mum just as a test. Oops. We'll leave it at mums, save, and then you can choose from the students that you want to use. So you click on the ones you want in the test or in the lesson. So we're going to use Alex, Benjamin and Dad. We'll click on next. And then you'll see at the top it says select concepts for Alex. So let's say Alex wants to work on above, angry, apart. And let's click next, and then it says select concepts for Benjamin or Ben. And he wants to work on left, light and long, for example. And then we'll see what I want to work on, and if I feel like working on together, top and thin. And of course you can work on every concept
follow the instructions carefully, and you can earn enough stars to watch my magic show.
So that's the screen you get once you've had...
Show me the balloon that is above the bowl.
Once you've completed the list on the concepts you want to learn, and it brings us to this page, and you'll see at the top it says concept above, page 1, student Alex. So it said show us the balloon above the bowl. So you would click on it.
Show me the balloon that is to the left of the bowl.
And what I'm going to do is I'm going to go through these and just show you them, some right, some wrong. Now you'll notice that it's changed students from Alexander to Benjamin now. So we're on Benjamin's concept, which is left.
Show me the birds that are together.
And you'll see at the top it's now changed to Dad, page 1, and the concept is together. So let's get this one wrong.
Show me the child who is angry.
Now this has gone back to Alexander. Now if we finish the session and we go back into the settings, you can change that to ask one student a number of questions before it goes to another student. So it could be 2, 3, 4, 5 and so on before it would change over to another student, so they can answer multiple questions at once. You can repeat.
Show me the child who is angry.
and so on. So that's the basic idea.
Great job today.
Behind
See
that.
you next time.
If we look at the report very quickly, you can see that it breaks it down into the 3 students, and it tells you what words they worked on. Alex worked on above, he got it 100%. Benjamin got left correct, and then I didn't get any correct. So that's what the report will show you there. So let's go back into the main menu and start a new session. And we're just going to leave it on Alexander here for this. And we're going to click on just one concept, which is big. We'll click next.
Follow the instruction. Show me the big apple. Show me the big tree.
And you'll notice as they get it correct, a star appears in the bottom left-hand corner towards the reward of the magic show.
Show me the big chair. Show me the big balloon.
And the idea is to get 5 stars, and you can change it from anywhere between 5 and 10 to see the show.
Show me the big box. Congratulations! You earned enough stars to watch a magic show. Would you like to do that now?
Okay, so you can click yes or no. We'll click yes for this demonstration. And there we go. So we get a reward for getting 5 correct, and the kids can watch that. Students can watch that every time you get there. And then it goes back.
Show me the big elephant.
To the exercise you're working on. Now let me show you.
Great job today.
Different way to use this. Let's go back into settings, and let's put show answer as on, randomization on, automatic page turning will turn off. Trying to think what else we should leave on here. Automatic scoring we will turn off, and let me show you what happens when we've done that. Let's start a new session. We'll pick Alex, and it will work on a part.
Follow the instructions.
Let's go ahead. So what we've done here, we've changed the settings to the point where, as a therapist, a teacher, or a parent, you can actually ask the student or your child yourself. So we're working on the word apart, as it says. So you would ask, show me the picture of the dogs that are sitting apart, and then the student would press that. And because of the way you've got the settings, you have the choice of pressing correct or incorrect. You can see the concept accuracy down the bottom. We got that one correct. And then you have the choice of going on to the next page. So we go on to the next page. Again, show me the ducks that are standing apart. We'll get it wrong. Like that, you would press incorrect, and then you would go on to the next page, and so on. So you actually get to control the concept that you want to talk about in your own time with different students, and of course it does reports on all of this as well. So it's a very, very good way to do that.
Great job today! See you next time!
And then again, you can view the report of the accuracy of those activities. So one more thing I want to show you in the settings is show the answer. So if we put this back to on, and we put the answer to on, let's go ahead and look at now. We'll start a new session. Let's go on Alexander, and let's choose clean, for example.
Follow the instructions.
Open this up.
Show me the hands that are clean.
So it's going to show me the correct response if I get it wrong. So I'm going to get it wrong on purpose. And then
These hands are clean.
It leaves up the correct response so the child gets an idea of what is clean. Now again, you can do that by yourself when you've got the settings we had just a second ago turned off, as if you're talking, as if you're a therapist or a teacher, or you want to conduct the lesson yourself without automatically moving through the stages.
Show me the clothes that are clean.
If you get it right, you'll notice the star.
Show me the dishes that are clean.
And again, if you get it wrong, it shows
These dishes are clean.
The correct response. Finish the session.
Great job today! See you next time!
And then you can, like I said, view the report on that. Go back out, and just want to show you one final thing before we go off here. I'm just going to scroll through some of the words for you to have a look at. So over 60 different concepts: happy, heavy, hot, in front, inside, left, light, long, loud, many, pair, quiet, right, sad, same, shallow, short, small. Amazing, absolutely amazing app, and I am 100% certain that I will be using this a lot more with my with Benjamin, and recommend it with his therapist and his teachers at school. So I hope you enjoyed that. It was a quick demonstration of an app called Magical Concepts.